Today we are going to learn about new lesson, evolution of communication. So let's learn. Children, sharing of thoughts and feelings is a basic need of human being. People also enjoy talking and listening to their friends and family. This is called communication. To fulfill this need, man had involved various means of personal and mass communication. Some of them are personal service, newspaper, magazines, radio, television, telephones, and internet. The various means of communication are used mainly for two types of communication: personal or private communication and mass communication. Personal communication. Personal communication includes exchange of message or document between two individual or organizations. The postal system, the telephone network, email, fax and telephone calls are some means of personal communication. Mass communication. Mass communication means sending message and information to many people or message at same time. Radio, television, newspaper, magazines and films are some important means of mass communication. Children, now learn about some means of communication used by people of India. Postal services. India has the largest postal network in the world. There are nearly 1.5 lakh post offices in our country. It is the most common and cheapest means of communication. Postcards, inland letters, stamps, envelopes and postage stamps are the things that we need to communicate through this means. We can buy these things from post office. Urgent letters can be sent throughout speed post service. The government has now permitted private companies called courier to provide postal service in India. The postal service provides used trains, aeroplanes and ships to carry letters and parcels to their destination inside and outside the country. The Indian Railway also run the railway mail service that support the Indian Postal Administration in quick delivery of letters and parcels. Telephone services. The telephone network connects us to our friends, relatives and many other people all the time. We use STD, means subscriber trunk dialing, to call up the people staying in India. We have to use ISD, means international subscriber dialing system, to call up the people who stay in other country. The people who do not have a phone connection use public call offices to call their near and dear ones. The government telephone company is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, means BSNL. The government of India has also allowed private companies to provide mobile telephone service to the people. The popularity of the media has increased temporarily in India with the introduction of wireless mobile phone. Now, the mobile phone also serve as a mean of entertainment. People can use mobile phones to listen music or take pictures like camera. The smartphones functions as a camera phone and portable media player. It even has email, web browsing and advanced video recording and playing facilities. Fax. Fax is another mean of communication which is used to send messages. Messages sent throughout a fax machine reaches instantly. These machines work throughout telephone lines. Email and internet. Computers have completely changed the way of communication. The internet is an international network of computers. The combination of computer and the internet has added immense speed to delivery of message or information. Using this combination, we can send simply message, picture and any information throughout email anywhere in the world. It is one of the fastest way of the sending a message. The internet has the World Wide Web have changed our ability to find, manage and share information in offices and in our homes. Users can find the answer to the almost question on the net. Students also use website and internet. People not having a computer or an internet connection go to a cyber cafe to send an email, do chatting for the net surfing. Radio. The radio is a popular mean of communication. The All India Radio means Akashvani survive is run by a government. It broadcasts news, informative programs, sports, commentaries, songs, etc. in Hindi, English and regional languages. Even people who do not know how to read and write get benefit from it and enjoy it. Now, FM broadcast is very popular in India. These are private radio service. FM channels provide 24 hours music. Some FM channels play folk and vernacular song of the state in which their stations are located. Advertisements are also broadcast on the radio. Television. Television is also popular mean of mass communication. It performs the same task as a radio but also shows pictures. We watches news, movies, dramas, reality shows and many other programs on it. Various companies also advertise their products on television. Many programs are shown live on television. Government run Doordarshan is the oldest TV channel in India. Some years ago, TV transmission was received throughout antenna, which is the upgraded on technology. It is possible now to receive good quality of picture or programs for hundred of TV channels throughout the cable. Such TV is called cable TV. We may receive direct to home means DTH TV transmission by instantly a satellite dish at our homes. Print media, newspaper and magazine. Newspaper and magazine are printed in many languages. They carry news and information about different events from all parts of the world. A newspaper costs just a few rupees but gives us lots of information on the events and happening in city, country and in the world. Magazines are also popular among people. These are published on all kind of topics like fashion, clothes, films, environment, science, literature and current affairs. A large number of magazines are published in India. These days we can read e-books and e-magazines on the internet. Films. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. Films entertain and educate the people. They also spread messages. So children, this was all about today, evaluation of communication. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.